Hello, Emmy. Oh, you look so pretty, Emmy. How are you tonight? Are you okay? You look so beautiful tonight, Emmy. Okay, so did you eat your dinner already?
Yes.
Great for dinner. What did you eat for dinner? Oh, that's pretty. What did you eat for dinner, Emmy? You don't know? Okay, so now
Yeah.
let me share my screen, Emmy, and for today we will continue talking about the household chores. Okay, so again, let us have a quick review. We have here, okay, what is he doing, Emmy?
Make my bed.
Okay, yes, he's making his bed. What are you doing? Okay, yes, what are you doing? Laundry. Laundry. Okay, and what are you doing? Okay, I'm walking the dog. What are you doing? Okay, setting the table. And what are you doing? Dishes. Dishes. Okay, yeah, wash the dishes. Now, Amy will proceed to this one. Okay, so we have here before school and after school. So you have to answer my question like when do you make your bed? So I make my bed before school. Again, Emmy, can you tell me when do you make your bed? Can you say it again, Emmy? I can't hear your voice clearly, Emmy. No, I can't hear your voice.
Go.
When do you clean your room? I can't hear your voice, Emmy. I can't hear you. No, I can't hear you at all, Emmy. I can't hear any voice. Still no, Ami. Wait, what is the matter? I can't really hear you, Ami. I can't hear you. Can you try to move closer to your device, Ami? Can you move closer to your iPad? Maybe you are using a noise canceling device, Ami. That is why. Wait, I can't hear your voice. I'm serious, Ami. Why can't I hear your voice? But I can hear your mom's voice. I can hear your mom's voice.
他听到我声音，听不到你声音，为啥呀？不知道，你声音大一点啊。
Yeah, it's okay now.
我声音很大。
Okay. Okay. Let's do it like that, Ami. Let's do it like that. Can you tell me when do you clean your room?
Before,
Before before school?
before school.
Is it before school or after school? We have here 7:30 p.m., Ami. This is in the evening. Yes, after school. That is correct. Now, when do you do laundry? No, hear you, Ami. Wait, wait, Ami. Because I can't hear you, Ami. Wait.
这声音这绕的，谁听得见啊？喔喔喔的。你正在使用键？没有，no。
你正在
No,
使
no,
用
no.
Oh no. Okay, because sometimes, Ami, I can hear your voice clearly, even though you are far, but sometimes I can't hear your voice at all. Okay, wait. Okay, let us try. Can you try to talk now, Ami? Okay, can you tell me again? When? Okay, when do you do laundry? No, I can't hear you, Ami. Do you have another iPad, Ami? Do you have an iPad or another phone that you can use to join the class?
After. Laundry, be laundry. After school. School.
Okay, yes, I do laundry after school. Now, when do you walk your dog? When do you walk the dog? I?
早上 before school.
Okay, I walk the dog before school. Okay, before school, Ami, because it is 7:30 a.m. When it is a.m.,
早
Ami, it
上
is in the
是不是？
morning, okay?
早上
When
肯
we
定是
say
上学之前
p.m.,
的。
it is in the afternoon or in the evening. Okay? So, before school. Now, when do you set the table?
Table and school.
Okay, yes, before school. And when do you wash the dishes?
The teachers were after school.
Okay, yes, after school, Ami. Thank you. Now let us proceed to this one. So you have to tell me when does he or she make his or her bed? Okay, can you tell me, Ami, when does he make his bed?
Makes his bedrooms bed before school.
Okay, he makes his bed before school. See, we have here before school. These are the activities they do, Ami. Now, when does she walk the dog?
For
She walks, Ami. She walks
before
Okay, yeah, she walks the dog before school. Now, when does he do laundry? He does.
he does. He does his laundry before school.
Very good, Emmy. Now, when does she set the table?
That he
She cleans. She sets
sets
the table.
it after school.
Okay, yeah, she sets the table after school. Now, when does he clean? When does he clean his room? He,
He sees
his room.
the room after school.
Okay, yes, very good, Emmy. When does she wash the dishes?
He
She
sees
washes
pizza after school.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Amy. Just remember, Amy, that since this is a present simple tense, Amy, we are going to add S, right? See, you can see here, he, she, and it, Amy, we're going to add S or ES to the verb, just like in here. Wash, it'll be washes. Okay, washes. Do laundry, it will be he does laundry. Okay, now let us proceed to your workbook. Okay, so in here, Amy, all you have to do is to unscramble it. Like, for example, this one, we have wash the dishes. Now, what about this one, Amy? What is it? It's, can you unscramble it, Amy?
The dog.
Yes, it's walk the dog, Abby. Now what about this one? 3.
Read and read.
Very good. 4, Amy.
Do do laundry.
Yes, that's correct. What about 5?
That's the table.
Okay, and 6, Amy. It's
Bed.
okay, yes, very good. Make my bed. Now let us have this one now. Amy, in here you have to tell me what they are doing. Like for example, the first one, make my bed. Okay, what is he doing, Amy?
Bed.
Yes, very good. Now what about for this one?
My room.
Very good. 3, Amy. Okay, it's do laundry. What about for 4?
Then that's the table.
Very good. What about 5, Amy?
The dishes.
Great job. And the last one.
Dog.
Okay, yes, very good. Walk the dog. Now, let us have this one, Amy. So, as you can see, we have here a table for your reference in answering the questions. Oh no, are you tired, Amy? No, don't worry, we're almost done, Amy. Now we have here Monday. I make my bed before school. Okay, make my bed. Okay, now I I what about in here? Can you fill in, Amy? After school, Amy. I do you know? Oh, you don't have it in your book, Amy. I clean. Okay, I clean my room after school. See, because after making your bed, you went to school. So, it should be I clean my room after school. Now, let us proceed to the next one, Amy. Tuesday. Tuesday. I
Wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes. Continue, Amy.
Dishes.
Okay, I
Before
wash the
we
dishes
wash
before.
school.
Okay, yes, very good. Before school. Now, what about for the next sentence? Next one, Emmy. What about in here? Okay, yes, I set the table after school. Now, let us have Wednesday.
Bed.
I make my bed.
School.
Okay, very good. Next one, Ami. Continue, Ami. Next one.
The dog afternoon.
After.
Afternoon.
Okay, yes. What about Thursday? Okay, in here, Ami, I want you to answer the question, what does she do on Thursday? What does she do?
What
What
is in
what does
the
she do
we
on
do on
Thursday? Okay, what does she do on Thursday? She
the dog?
Okay, now in here, Ami, it will be walks, okay? She walks the dog.
Before school.
Okay, yes, before school. Next sentence, Ami.
The laundry if
Okay, she does laundry after school. See, you can see here the difference between the sentences that you've made, Ami. So in here, I wash. But if we'll use she here, Ami, it will be she washes. Okay, she washes. So remember, Ami, for subjects, I, you, we, and they, Ami, we will use the base form like wash. Okay, like this one. Make, go, clean, wash, set. Okay, now if our subject, Ami, is he, she, and it, Ami, we will add s or es to the verb. So it will be walks, goes, does. Okay, so that is it, Ami. Now, let us proceed to this one. Okay, when does he clean his room? He cleans his room after school. Now, what about for two, Ami? Make a question, Ami. Make a question. When?
that was was it the dishes?
Okay, now in here, Ami, see, we will not use when does she washes. Okay, washes. Okay, we will not use that, Ami, because even though we have she here, but we have the presence of does. So if we have do, does, and did, Ami, we will always use the base form, which is was, even if we have he, she, or it. Okay, so when does she wash the dishes? Not when does she washes the dishes. Okay, just like in here, does clean, even though we have he. Okay, now third one, Ami. Third one.
When he that when that he at the table at
Okay, when does he set the table? That is just your question, Amy. When you say after school, that will be included in your answer. He sets the table after school. So I really do hope you learned something new tonight, Amy, and you'll apply that one next time. So I'll see you again tomorrow, Amy. Thank you so much, and you can sleep now, beautiful Amy. Goodbye, good night, Amy.